Order canceled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, everybody. Welcome back, guys. We all gotta see you guys in 2 minutes. Stay tuned. A great Thanksgiving in the United States. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Oh. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Once again, happy Thanksgiving to my fellow traders in the US. I hope you all having a great morning. Once again, thank you guys for being here with us. As soon as I woke up, I was like, you know what? Did the market freeze or is the market closed? That's the first thing that came to my mind. The market is just not moving at all. Yeah, the market's not moving. Yeah, it's not moving. I definitely did end up, not trading. Other than, I did some couple swing trades last night, overnight, and I caught some moves, but really other than that, nothing really there. So far, it almost kind of feels like we are grinding to the downside, right? We are grinding to the downside. We may not hold this area too. Almost kind of feel like, we may break it down. But again, I think it's going to be in that chop world, right? The range probably within that 325 to 325. Well, 325 to 280. So literally that's about 40 points. That's a 40 points range there. That's a very tight range. But I think if we break underneath that 280 though, we could see some moves, right? Further to the downside, of course. Yeah, I'm still looking for that little chop here. So I'm gonna try and long on a long on a pullback and try to short the pop, right? And that's probably still the same idea as last night. Last night on a stream, I did mention that I like the idea that this market's gonna be within that very tight channel, and I like to short the pop and long the pullback for now until it breaks those channels, right? How y'all making out this morning? Kenny, what is up, man? Yeah, I need a coffee. Yeah, I need a coffee. I've got a coffee here with me. I have a coffee. Hey, Rick, Joe Van, Thanksgiving, everybody. Go enjoy with the family right now. Yes, sir. Tris, Profit Factor, what is going on? Dean in the house. Green Emerald, B Adam. Dean, what up? Green, Mike, B Adam. Daily day trades. Monica in the house. Champ FXU. Funded grind. Haridev. 44 Punisher in the house, man. You still did not use that legend account? Edgar, what is going on, man? Salute. Nice, and thank you. Tiger FD today and tomorrow as a single day account. Yeah, I think all the firms are I think all the firms are counting as a day. That's today and tomorrow, so yeah, they're all counting as a day. Today and tomorrow, guys, pretty much. Lucid Flex beats everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. ¿Cómo estás, amigo? I see you stream at random times. I love your stream though. Have a different energy. Yeah, Miltesh, man. I don't stream on a random times, to be honest with you. Usually I'm streaming every day during Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, or I go live at 11 o'clock Eastern time in the morning, twice a week. And then everything else is at random times. That's right. And like today, for example, right? Oh, what is up, Cocochini? Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. I think funding takes is 2 days. If it was in the Discord, somebody wrote it. Oh, really? Oh, really? 2 days? So it doesn't count as a day? That's pretty interesting. All right, that Lucid unveil. We still have one more day, guys, for Lucid Flex, right? To unveil tomorrow. I think you can only start loading accounts with Lucid tomorrow, right? I think they're starting tomorrow, even though they declared what the offer is going to be. All right, so here I am, guys. I'm trying to get into some trades now. I'm looking to long on a pullback here, unless we break underneath at 280. Because I think if we break underneath at 280, then I think we've got some more room to the downside, right? And that really breaks the channel. It's already kind of trying to break, right? We're on a tick chart. It's a lower high to me, so we may try to do something like, you know what I mean? Like, see, we've got this. You know, we got this. You know what I mean? So we could do another one that could be like this, and that could be a lower high to us. This is possible, like a little letter to the downside, right? You know what I mean? I think this could be something like this, and then maybe we could try to pop. I'm kind of leaning more this than anything else, to be honest with you.
Order submitted.
If not,
Order submitted.
that's fine, because
Order
I am gonna peel my
submitted.
profits off the table very quickly on a bounce here back up again.
Order
So
submitted. Order submitted.
John Walk, what is going on? Good morning. London session is better comparing to New York. I mean, maybe, but I can't trade London because I gotta go to bed. So if I want to have a great Globex Asia, and if I want to have a great New York
Order
trade,
filled.
Order filled.
I better stay away from London. You know what I
Order
mean?
Order filled.
All right, guys. The market is pretty dead, but at least I would say we could have a little bit of a range play here, right? I'm kind of using 310 to maybe 280, 285. So that's like a 30 points range, right? So I think 30 points range is what I'm going to be using to make my trading plans here. So I'm going to try and short the pop and long
Order
the
filled.
Order
pullback,
filled.
right? But it's got to be within that tight range, right? If it goes beyond that, then I probably exit my trades, right? So this is the level I'm kind of watching, up and down within this range, right? So that's what I'm going to be using to make some trading plans here today. But I think, yeah, I kind of feel like this is going to be a really choppy day. We may get some wild moves along the way, right? Let's not discount that. We could. So don't be surprised if we get like a 30-40 points dump or pump, right, in this market today. That's why I think I prefer
Order
to have a
filled.
hard
Order
stop.
filled.
I prefer to have a hard stop today because it's so fragile, right? No volume. So
Order filled.
once it
filled.
moves, I think this thing could actually start to move pretty quickly. So Oh yeah, by the way, I've got to request a payout here right now. Just 1 second, everybody. I am going to go ahead and request a payout with funding ticks. So just in case you guys have not seen their funding ticks payout tab, I just so this is how it kind of looks, right? So this is the funding ticks payout tab. So where you request a payout, and then you've got accounts here. So it's got all the information there that you guys have to obviously take a look at that. And then the payment method would be 3 options. And then you got pay. Oh, what is this? All right, and then we have here. You go through the bank transfer or crypto or rice. I go usually with the rice, right? But depends. I'm trying to go with the bank transfer, but I'm not really sure. So that's what you have to do. And of course, if you are 1,000 payout cap, the most you can actually take would be $1,000, right? So $1,000, and it's gonna give you that remaining stats here as well. And then you gotta have to obviously check box all of these, and then you guys gonna go ahead and request a payout. This is how it actually works. Nothing really too really complicated. It's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and do this, guys. 1 second. Does funding ticks work with scalping? Yeah, I mean, I've been scalping. I've been scalping all the time. I think they're not okay with anything that's like a few seconds, maybe 1 or 2 seconds. But I think beyond that, I think it's totally fine. All right, guys, bear with me. I'm just about to request a payout. All right, nice little bounce that we got here, sitting at 303, and yeah, I prefer to trade the micro for today, right? I wanna just try to make sure that I get a better average entry by scaling into my position. Yeah, that sounds my my requested payout that I just made. All right, so I've made one. I want to make another one right now. I mean, it's a great feeling to be requesting a payout, right? You wake up in the morning, it's like, oh, it's time to request a payout. You guys gonna hear another one. Boop. That's my payout request. All right, I requested 2. Now let me try to see if I can actually request another one. I may be able to, I'm not sure. I'm kind of missing a day or two, I think, but we'll take a look and see. Yeah, I'm missing a few days. So all right, that's it. That's all I have. 1 second. I'll share this with my fellow traders on Discord. All right, so I went ahead and requested a payout. It's good, it's good, it's good, everybody. So there we go, guys. That's my request payout, 890. No, that's not a game over sound. That's a congratulation payout sound. Yeah, that's the Fundities always does this, right? Fundities always have that sound, whether you blow an account, not just when you blow an account, but that's when you request a payout or your account is passed and it's on review. They would make that sound. It's weird. So there we go, guys. That's 890 times 2, so that's good. If we got something out of this market, we got Bowser taking some money out. This is my request that I made last night as well, $420, and we've got Bowser taking some money, just looking for some money, right? There we go, guys. Man, good stuff, man. What a beautiful Thanksgiving so far. What a beautiful morning. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce in this market. We got a nice little pivot here, kind of sitting in that 305. So yeah, we really have to break out of this 320 area to kind of feel a lot more bullish, right? So far, I'm leaning more in that channel range play, right? That's what I'm yeah, that's what I'm kind of using, right? I'm still my idea today is still short the pop and long the pullback, but within that channel range that we talked about. What is up? Good morning, everybody. Why is the most? What is up, brother? Why is the message deleted? News is getting Twitter of funding ticks and funding next, not paying traders and changing rules. Oh yeah, I haven't heard that before. The same as mine. 890 requested mine yesterday. 4 accounts. Nice, man. Your Discord link. My Discord link is here. Funding ticks not paying. I mean, they've got over 1.5 million I think traders trading with them, I think, if I'm not wrong. And I think that includes obviously the futures, sorry, not the futures, on the forex side as well. But that's a lot of traders trading on that firm, right? I mean, they're paying mine, so I think I'm okay with that for now. But at least the risk exposure, it's not. Yes, they do pay traders. Yeah, I mean, maybe there's some disputes maybe between traders, certain traders, and the firm, but maybe there's a legit reason, right? They're pretty big though, right? Trader called out TOC tick trader not paying. Yeah, exactly. I mean, we heard that. I heard that last night as well. But again, I mean, you know, we got a lot of traders trading tick trader, and they're I heard that they're paying traders, right? So until something breaks, it's still a rumor until something breaks. For now, we just gotta do what we gotta do. Get paid, trade well, and make some money. You guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you guys for being here this morning on a Thanksgiving, a beautiful Thanksgiving. Wow, this market is crazy slow, right? Crazy slow. Is anybody trading this market right now, guys? Anybody trading? I thought we gotta have a better price action than this for sure, right? I mean, just because it's a Thanksgiving, usually the New York kind of moves. I mean, this almost kind of feels like Globex ASIA at this point. They just don't pay the big money. They pay little money, no problem. Yeah, it almost kind of sounds like Bionox. No pay the big money. I got cooked in my evals. I was trading ES. Wow, lots of comments, man. Thank you guys for being here this morning. Crazy slow. Yeah, it is crazy slow right now. $120. Thanks, man. Caught the 200, went 50 micros. Holy mochino. K-Do went 200 on 50 micros. On what account? What account actually allows you 50 micro? I forgot. It's been a while since I actually traded 50 micros before. All right. I mean, I used to trade. You guys know I used to trade a lot. 50 micros, 70 micros. Max out on the contract size. But I don't do that anymore. And quite honestly, I just feel so much better by now going full tilt. You final countdown. Good morning. Good morning. How's it going? You're trying to trade it, but nothing so far. I know, man. I know we all try to get some trades going, but this market's not moving. I think this market is not like the sim money. It's so slow. Micros will be acting. Ethereum back to 3,000. Really? Ethereum is back up 3,000. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it was, yeah, you're right. Wow, back to 3,000. Bitcoin back to 90,000. Incredible, guys. And they're both open now, right? Incredible, guys, incredible. The stocks are closed, right? I wonder how it's gonna look like on Monday morning. I wonder how it's gonna look like, guys. You're just trying to make some money. Yeah, that's right. Shahid Selim. That almost sounds like somebody. How is Tick Trader going to survive if they don't pay? I mean, there could be something else going on between Tradeovate and Project X, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be like, you know, I have no money, so I can't pay. You know, maybe it's much more beyond that, right? Zubi, how was your payout experience in funding ticks? I honestly, I did not have any issues with funding ticks so far to date, right? So far to date, I haven't had any issues, any glitches, right? They paid me on a timely manner. You know, it's like, yeah, they take a day, but there's no payouts that's taken over a day, I would say, at least for me. It's like watching our paint dry. That's right. StockTiger, reply to your message in Discord, Micmac. All right, I'll take a look, Micmac. What is it about, though? ABB, what is up, man? Market is dead. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, the market is dead. I wonder what it's gonna be tomorrow morning, though. Right? Today it's closed. Today's not closed. I mean, today is still running, but it's pretty slow. Yeah, it's weird. I tried trading, but I took a loss. Sifoni, what is up? Good morning, brother. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Everybody, good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving to my fellow traders in USA. You guys want to know a little stat about my my YouTube? I've got it's interesting. I thought it's gonna be like 80% fellow traders from US watching me, but it's only 60%, guys. 40% coming from overseas, including Canada. And I've got a lot of viewers from UK, Australia. We got some, interestingly enough, we got a lot from Korea too. Wow. Oh, there you go. We see we got fellow trader for UK too right now. Oh no, I lied. The last 30 days, United States only covered a little less than 60%. Canada 8%. UK 4%, guys. UK. We got a lot of fellow traders from UK watching us right now. Incredible. Brazil 2%. Holy mochino. We got a lot of Indian too. Indian community. Love you guys. Kaise bhai? TK. Love you guys, man. From India. Australia, Germany, France, Morocco, Vietnam, Singapore, Poland. Wow. Mexico. Italy. And guess what? We've got fellow traders from Sri Lanka, New Zealand, Malaysia, South Korea 0. I don't have anybody from South Korea. What the heck is going on right now? Where are my fellow traders from Korea? What is trading role in Vietnam? Do you have to use VPS? I have no idea, brother. I have no idea. Have you ever traded? Have you ever tried alpha futures? No, I have not. I would like to try, but I never really got a chance to trade them. Does anybody trade alpha futures? And do you guys like it? I'm now starting to try to get better at funded next and funding ticks. You know, these are kind of like a new firm, right? In this PROPFIRM space, right? And listed as well. I don't know. All right, this market hasn't moved anything so far, which is great. Which is great. ABB, Korea and Turkey, brothers. Exactly, bro. Oh, you're from Turkey? ABB, are you from Turkey? I love Turkey, man. One of my best friends is actually from Turkey, but he passed away 3 years ago. Yeah, he passed away 3 years ago, but he was one of my super duper buddies. Yeah, he was one of my buddies. Yeah, but he's no longer here with us, unfortunately. But I love Turkey. I love everything about Turkey. All right, fellow traders. Now this market is playing dirty, not doing anything so far. No action. But made some profits, which is great. I'll take it. All right, I'm gonna exit that trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order
All right,
submitted.
I'm gonna try and do a lot
Order
of scalps
submitted.
now, guys.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submit. Order sub. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Filled.
Yeah, I've got 10 micros right now.
Order
filled.
Order filled.
Filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
It's really nothing there at the moment. It's crazy slow, guys. It's crazy slow. But we're gonna try and make some profits, guys, within this tight range that we have here with us. Yeah, I've got 6 contracts. You're out walking, be Adam. Here's Royal Trades. What is going on? Good morning. Good morning, brother. Metish. 50 micros? No, it's not 50 micros. It's only 6 right now. Donna, what is going on? Good morning. Sniper, good morning. Smokey Bear, what is up? Perfect play in the house. Our fellow trader from Ontario. Willing. AB. 44x Punisher. Oh, ABB is from Turkey. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. I like that. All right, so this market is trying to hold. Let's see. I don't know. We may break it down. I've only got 6 contracts. I'm not gonna be like too overly concerned right now at this point. Kelly Kaufman, what is going on, man? 44x Punisher. Ooh my god, are we gonna get a dump here? When you DCA, do you add it when it goes your way? When it goes my way, I add it if I kind of feel like my position sizing is very tiny, right? So let's say if this rips and I've only got 6 contracts, I'll probably add about 20 more to kind of ride that long, right? The momentum move, and then peel my profit quickly off the table as well. And that's the micro scalping, if you will. All right, guys, we are pulling back here into the 292, right? We are pulling back here. It's not a bad thing to kind of get a pullback, right? Not a bad thing at all. All right, we are pulling back here, everybody. Oh my mochaccino.
Order
filled.
This pullback is real. All right, we are retesting the 288 now. All right, by the way, guys, we will do all right, let's do a nice little cash giveaway here this morning, guys. Type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to win this giveaway this morning, guys. It's gonna be a short stream because this market is closed early today, so do not forget to close your positions, right? Do not forget to close your positions, guys. This market closes 1 p.m. Eastern time, right? It's got to be important that you guys close your positions, guys, especially if you're trading some of the firms that have no tolerance to, you know, leaving your position open, right?
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm with 13 contracts now. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. We'll call out the winner pretty soon. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here now, which is pretty interesting. I'm still needing more of a chop trade here today, this morning. Like I said again, we could get a 4 points dump, 4 points pump. You know, we could get something like that, right? Because of course this market is very fragile with no volume, right? So we're sitting at 294. I'm looking for a little bounce back into 300 now, guys. Let's see if we get it. Yeah, somebody asked me the listed offer. I think they made announcement, but you're only able to load in those accounts, the listed flex accounts, starting tomorrow, right? 28th.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. All right, we are trying to get a little bounce back up again, guys. So yeah, let's let's look for a little bounce back up again. I still got 9 contracts after taking after peeling I think about 6 contracts off the table. Now I still have about 9. So let's see if we can actually get a nice little pop here back into 300. Filled.
I would like to see this thing get over 305 area if it can. And then look to short again right at the top there, right? That's the plan. That's the plan. We talked about this. Oh yeah, I'm a little exhausted this morning. Yeah, but it's okay, you know. As long as you guys are here, I'm totally okay.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, what a nice little play there. We get a little bounce back up again, so that's good.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Let's see, guys, if we get a little bounce back, man. It's struggling to get above, to be honest. But I think once it moves, I think today's the kind of a day where it starts to move. It's going to move pretty quickly. And that's why I kind of like to, this kind of a day, I prefer to have a hard stop. Not just hard stop, but also my TPs as well, if I can. All right, guys, man, this is looking pretty nice here. All right, I'm going to exit my trade right now. Here's my final TP, take profit. Oh my God. This is looking pretty sharp.
Order
I like
order
it.
filled.
All right, final take profit. It's done right there, guys. I hope you guys caught that move to the upside. Did anybody catch that? That was a lot of fun here this morning. Yeah, I mean, I'd love to trade some other accounts, but I'm like, you know, I don't know, man. I'm just not feeling very, very comfortable, to be honest, with this kind of a price action that we are getting. So what am I supposed to do? Just not sure. Okay, so I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait a little bit for a better move. I'm gonna try and short the pop here,
order
like I said
submitted.
again.
Order submitted.
Right, this is the idea.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
If we break out of this 310 area, then it's no longer a bearish, right? I think this market may try to get the continuation move, right? If we get over 310, and if that level actually end up holding, then I think we have a nice little continuation move to the upside. If not, then we get a pullback, right? For now. Trev, are you getting stuffed like a turkey on Thanksgiving, or you eating turkey and... I have no idea. Jonathan, the market aren't moving today. How are you trading? I'm micro scalping right now. As you guys can see, I'm micro scalping. Mr. Decipher, what is going on, brother? Welcome back. Steve's, what up? Evolution Impulse, good morning. VK, Timo, Jonathan, Mikey Mick, Only Pencil, Sovereignty, Mill, Gift, Deflex, His Royal Trades, everybody, welcome back, guys. Meg Wop, good. Great to see you all here this morning. Let's try to have some fun. I mean, this market obviously is not giving us what we need, so there's only so much you can do. There's only so much you can do. We'll try. It's slower than Globex Asia. My God, I can't believe that. The Globex Asia is the biggest and the largest now. Holy. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback now again. It almost kind of feels like a little chop whirl, right? Up, down, up, down. But the thing is, right? The thing is, the range is getting tighter, right? So as you get tighter range, guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna try to make some impulsive move. I'm not saying it's gonna move 100 points, but I think we could see some kind of a 30 to 50 points move in one direction. As you get closer towards the end of this triangle wedge, right? We could see this thing move in some direction, but I think this market will have to now decide where it wants to go, right? I think we're getting pretty close to that level now, right? So I'm gonna try and short the pop again, like I said, and I'm gonna try and long on a pullback here back into 290, and that really kind of worked out pretty nicely, right? All my trades that I made overnight and this morning is all with that idea: short the pop and long the pullbacks, right? But of course within that channel range that we talked about, right? And I'm saying, when I say channel range, I'm talking about channel range would be something like this, right? If it breaks out of this range, then I'm gonna have to look to make some adjustments, right? Or exit my trade, if you will. Good evening. Well, not good evening. Good morning, Coach Fred. What is up, man? Evening trades are used to this choppy action. Yeah, man. Coach Fred, yeah. That's right. That's me right here. StockTiger. Absolutely used to this chop. Absolutely. Bring it on. Bring it on, guys. I'm used to this. This is Globex Asia, guys. We are just a little extended session from Globex Asia.
We're getting that this morning. It's a 30 points range, right? 30 points range. Welcome to the Globex Asia version 2 this morning. Bowser dump incoming. Uh-oh. MRC Traits, man. Good morning, brother. Good morning. Where are you from, StockTiger? I am from Canada. Oh, Canada. Does market close 4 p.m. US? No, they close early. They close at 1 p.m. Eastern time. 1 p.m. Eastern time is when they close, right? Just make sure you guys close all your trades, guys, please. Especially take profit trader, you guys have to close it before the market close. If not, then your accounts are blown like crazy. Never coming back, guys. Oh, okay. My origin. Yeah, I'm Korean. I'm Korean. Oh, Gen Trading, are you from Vancouver? Yeah, I'm from Alberta. The biggest and the largest. Alberta. We got a lot of Albertan traders, by the way. Oh my god, Oren, are you from Korea, really? Are you? No, come on. Hey, man. No kidding here. Oren, I understand it's Thanksgiving. But are you trading from Korea? Is anybody here trading from Korea? Is Alberta joining States too? I don't know if that's ever gonna happen, Trev. Yeah. Be safe. Close at 12:30. Yeah, man. I would honestly just prefer to close all your positions even well before 1 p.m. But are you going to be by for Globex Corey the Scalper? Yeah, I'll be there during Globex Asia for sure. Yeah, but I think it's gonna be another slow day. I mean, it's a Thanksgiving, so I like to try my level best to give as much as possible I possibly could. Yeah, lots of giveaways, guys. I'm gonna try my level best. Right? It's a happy Thanksgiving. We've got to celebrate. And by the way, you got a lot of traders getting their first ever payout, guys. Coming into the Thanksgiving week, and we've got quite a few fellow traders. First ever payout. I mean, I'd love to see that for sure. More often. Just 1 second, guys. All right, what am I looking at? Sorry, 1 second, guys. I'm just getting a message from my All right, guys. Oh wow, this market's not moving at all right now, guys. Guys, I'm gonna go grab another coffee. Please give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Don't forget to smack the like, guys. We will do our giveaway call out right now. We are gonna do another one as well. So stay tuned, guys. Smack the like if you guys want to support the stream. For first giveaway call out at 120 likes, guys. We are not far away. Let's get it done right now, guys. Give me a few minutes. I'll be right back for another coffee. Oh, this market hasn't moved anything just yet. Holy man. I've been away for 2 minutes and it's kind of stuck in that 305. Sorry, not 305, 300 area for the longest time ever, guys. What is up with this market right now? Yeah, I'm going to be loading in some accounts, of course, this morning while the Black Friday is still on. I'm gonna be loading in some accounts with the yeah, I'm loading in some Take Profit Trader, some Top Step. I'm gonna be loading in Top Step as well. I'm gonna load in about 4 accounts, and that's gonna be with no activation, right? I'm gonna be using their $89 50K account. Somebody asked me that question, so I'm gonna be using the $89 50K account for Top Step. I'm gonna loading 4. I've got $1,000 budget right now, so I'm gonna be spending that to load in some TS, some Take Profit Trader, and I'm gonna be loading in some Lucid as well. But the Lucid I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow, right? Because they only you are only able to load in accounts on the Lucid Flex tomorrow, I think, right? You're gonna have 5 Top Step easily. Yeah, I'm gonna have 4. I'm just gonna load in some 4 evals with no activation. That's gonna be the $89, right? That's what I'm gonna be going after. And then a few Take Profit Trader to kind of give myself a little backup plan just in case I end up losing my pro account. Oh, that's what oh no, I'm gonna have, well, I mean, Farah, if you just take a look from a payout standpoint, look at the chart on the left hand side that I've put it on an Excel sheet, right? Top Step still paid me over $10,000. There's no reason to kind of like, you know, there's really no reason for me to stay away from Top Step when November, you know, and that's really the only firm that paid me over $10,000, right, in payouts. So, I mean, is there a reason I should stay away from Top Step? No, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna have to continue trading Top Step, right, whether I like it or not. But it's gonna be limited to, you know, just 3 to 5 maybe at most. 3 to 5, and then Take Profit Trader, I'm gonna be loading in some accounts. And Take Profit Trader, I already have 4 pro accounts, right? I'm loading in some evals to kind of like just give myself a little bit more wiggle room, just in case. You know, you gotta have some backup plan here, just in case you end up losing more pro accounts. Then you gotta have some backup evals to kind of quickly get your evals moving into the pro account, right? Top Step page, you seem to have a good vibe with them. Yeah, I seem to have a, you know, it's weird because there are certain firms that I do pretty well with, and I for some reason it's just all psychology, right? It's all real psychology, guys. There are certain firms that you take it very, very seriously, and just there's some which obviously just don't. I don't know why. They're all the same thing, right? At the end of the day, we're all trading the same platform, we're all trading the same account size, right? But up here it's like, no, StockTiger, the firm A, you know, you gotta be serious. The firm B, a little less, and firm C, it's like YOLO. I don't know, man. I just think it's a psychology more than anything, really, to be honest, because my trading style is not gonna change just because I trade firm B and firm C. It's all the same to me, really, to be honest. Oh yeah, I use Take Profit Trader rewards, but I don't really carry a lot of rewards though. I don't really no, all my rewards that I always give it back to the community in a lot of cases, right? I don't use my rewards, to be honest. Every time I have my rewards, you know, I load in a 50k account and I give it back to the community. Especially now that when you win and when I do a giveaway on Take Profit Trader, you have no activation fee, right? So there's no point in me using that reward when my friends can use them, and if they pass, there's no activation. But if I use and if I pass, I've got to pay for an activation. You know what I mean? Well, not for you. So if I give it back to the community, guys, you guys are not going to be paying for an activation. So that's a great thing about that, right? And that's why I always give back. I don't use at all. Not that I have much rewards, but no Black Friday sale for my funny futures. I have no idea, brother. I don't trade my funny futures anymore, so I have no idea. But I think they're gonna come up with a Black Friday offer for sure in a day or two. Probably on Friday, right? There are some firms kind of waiting for everybody to call out what the offer is, and then they're gonna step in. And I guess the one of them is my funny futures. Did anybody trade alpha futures though? Because I'm hearing some traders asking me how alpha futures is, but I've never really traded them before. So you're still waiting? Yeah. But quite honestly, right now at this point in time, I'm gonna be going after Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Top Step for now. And this is what I'm gonna be going after. So Tiger is just passed a free credit account and did not have TP. What does that mean, Bowser? I have no idea what you're talking about. Just pay activation. Just put the code in. What do you mean? Are you talking about me? Who's the best PROPFIRM right now? From overall perspective, Take Profit Trader is still my number one, right? Take Profit Trader is still my number one. And number two, Apex. And then number 3, 4, 5, and 6, they're all the same to me, so it doesn't really matter. But the top 2 is Take Profit Trader in Apex, at least for me. I'm not saying that's what it is for everybody else, but for me. All right, guys, we're getting a pullback here. I was trying to short this on a pop, but
order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
all right, let's see if it gets some move. Yeah, man, it looks dumpy, by the way. Hold on one second, guys.
Order
I may be on the wrong side.
Order
It
canceled.
looks dumpy. I don't want to get caught on this. All right, it looks dumpy, guys. No, I think it's gonna be on for like another 2 hours from here. The market closes in about a little less than 2 hours now. I like Legend too. Legend, they've got the $127 on a 150k account, so I like that. I like that offer. I don't like their 50k or 25k, but I like their 150k account with just $127. I like that idea, right? But because I've already loaded Legend account, I bought 4, I lost 2, and I'm still trading the other 2, so I may end up loading in a few more. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We still have a few more days to kind of go until the Black Friday offer is over, right? So I like the funding ticks, but the problem is the funding ticks, you can only buy so many. I only used 2 accounts. I only bought 2 accounts with funding ticks, right? And that's because the max you can use is how many accounts? 6 accounts, right? On a 50k. So that kind of sucks, but $44 Punisher, you're gonna have to have you DM me. Oh really? Why? Do I get a gift? Do I get a gift, Punisher? Oh, with the with your what do you call this, a Legend account, Apprentice.
Order.
All right, guys,
Order
I'm long
filled.
here with 13 contracts now again.
Order
I'm gonna look
submitted.
to oh,
Order
I kind of feel like
submitted.
we could get more
Order
dumpage here. I don't
submitted.
know, man. This could be a little
Order
fake to the
submitted.
upside again, but
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order filled.
Order filled.
all right, guys, this is the best I can do in this market environment right now. Yeah, let's see if we get a little bounce back up again. Or the Bitcoin, well, the NQ, yeah, it's a lower high to us, right? Yeah, we just can't get above this pivot for some reason. I wonder if this market's gonna sell off.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Not now, but I mean in the next few days, I guess, right? We could see this thing sell off. Bring it down all the way into the 25,200 area. So that's literally about 60 points away from where we are now, to the downside. But tomorrow also counts as a day. Oh yeah, that's right. So today and tomorrow is going to be counting as a single day. They're going to combine the both, right? So guys, I requested a payout with funding tick, which is great. Now I'm officially over $35,000, guys, which is great for the obviously for the month of November. It keeps coming back, guys. It keeps coming back, and I'm grateful. Yeah, I don't think I can go any beyond that, to be honest with you. I don't really have anything else right? I don't really have anything else because today's 27th, right? And then we've got 28th, which is Friday, and the market, I almost kind of feel like it's gonna be another dead day, right? And then 29th is Saturday, and Sunday would be the 30th, right? So the only way for me to kind of increase my payout would be through daily payout with Take Profit Trader, but I don't think I want to be trading my Take Profit Trader, right? With no volume, I'm just not interested, right? Especially with the pro account, and that's probably the last thing I want to trade. So I'm gonna probably have to kind of close my payout like status for the month of November now, and just call it
Order
filled.
you know. And let's try to look for December now. Somebody asked me what's your December target. I'm kind of thinking about I'm kind of thinking about 40k. 40k is my December target, and that's what I have in my mind now. Yeah, that's my December target, 40,000. And I think maybe half of that payouts would probably come through Apex alone. So that's gonna get pretty interesting, guys. So it really depends on how the Apex accounts go in December. I could have a much bigger payout than just 40k, but we'll have to wait and see. I'm gonna take it really slow and patient, right? I'm not gonna try and overcomplicate my trades and my payouts. You know what I mean? We're in December. It's the last trading month of the year, guys. The last trading month of the year. All I really want to do is play safe, trade safe, and just try to get, you know, try to just keep grinding and not try to go on full tilt. Try my level best. We'll see how it goes, man. But it's been definitely a very exciting journey, and I'm very grateful to be able to do this with my fellow traders. 11 months past 2025, guys, and I thank you all of you for all your support all the time. And we are now 1 month away. Let's finish it strong, guys. We're getting pretty close now. Do not give up. We're getting pretty close, guys. 1 more month. 1 more, and we are done. 2025 is over. It's behind us now. Holy man. We are done. November is over, and December is also over. And guess what? I think December is going to be a shorter trading month, I think, because you're going to have a lot of holidays, right? A lot of days are going to be closed because of yeah, I think it's gonna be a much shorter December, right? Everybody's kind of thinking that we're gonna have a Santa Claus rally, and on top of that, you know, they see SPY, or like, let's just quickly take a look and see what the SPY is right now. But SPY is sitting at 680. We got Tom Lee saying that we're gonna see SPY at 7,000. What did he say? I think, if I'm not wrong, I think he said we're gonna get to 720. Right, I think that's what he said. Tom Lee's calling for I think, if I'm not wrong, Tom Lee's calling for 720 area. So that would mean we are right up here. Right up here, yeah. This is where Tom Lee's kind of going, okay, well, this market's gonna get up to that area now. Tom Lee 720. So we're kind of like not far off, to be honest, man. That's like 40 points away from where we are now on SPY. But does this market truly has what it takes to get it up there? Man, that's I wish I knew, or else I would have just full poured all my accounts. But I don't know, man. It does look like it wants to, right? Think about it, guys. We are now trying to break out of this very important area. We got a rejection off that 682, 681, but I don't know, man. I kind of feel like maybe we try to push down, right? Push down a little bit on next week, and this level holds, and we try to push back up again, right? And maybe this is what it's gonna look like. That's gonna be sick, man. That's gonna be sick. I'll tell you that much. Came already. Oh, really? The Santa Claus rally already came? And it's gonna be big, guys. But Tom Lee calling for a 720 area, which is gonna be right up here. Right up here. I don't know, man. Wow, that's gonna be a huge monster move. We're gonna have a lot of catalysts. We're gonna have to get a lot of catalysts, right? The Bitcoins has to pump. We gotta have Nvidia. We gotta have Apple pump as well. Man, look at this Apple, $277. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Yeah, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. This market is wild, incredible. All right, guys, we're getting a pullback. I'm down to 5 contracts. I'm not crying about it.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
So are we gonna continue pulling back here? Maybe, but maybe look for a, it almost kind of looked like a descending wedge to us, right? That's a bullish pattern, by the way, descending wedge, right? So you got a big move to the upside, and then it's like kind of consolidating in the range, and then we get another breakout, right? So that is what it kind of looks like for now. But again, I may be wrong, but we're getting pretty close, right? It looks like a descending wedge to me, but I think we try to overshoot it down. We may try to overshoot it down, at least back into 240, 220, and then maybe try to get a bounce back up again, right? But I don't know. I don't think that's gonna happen today, per se. We're gonna try to do this. Try to bounce, do this, and then try to get a bounce back up again. All right, maybe I think this is probably the idea. I mean, all of this isn't gonna happen right now. I'm gonna go with legacy, guys. By the way, the funded next, the legacy has no consistency rule anymore, so I think it's a, I like legacy plan better, right? I think a lot of traders are actually trading the rapid one, but I'm trading the legacy. I've got a legacy account. Where's my legacy account? Oh man, this trader rate is down here on this one, so I can't show you, but I've got legacy account, the 50K. That's what time the market closed. It closed in about a little less than 2 hours, right? It's 1 p.m. Eastern time. 1 p.m. Eastern time. Does funded next have discount? If you are a new trader, then you get a discount, and you're paying $115 on a 50K account on legacy. So that's pretty good deal. But if you are an existing user, I don't think there's a discount. You get for the resets. You get 15% off for the resets, right? And that goes for both rapid and legacy. So if you had accounts that you blew, let's say before Black Friday, and it's sitting in that breached account, then you can use that account to reset, and you get 50% off automatically. Do you trade full-time, Tiger? I mean, I trade full-time, but I'm not a full-time trader per se. I trade beyond full-time, to be honest, because I trade everywhere. I trade on a plane. I trade everywhere, right? I trade while I'm shoveling my snow too. Well, what PROPFIRM was that? The 15% reset goes on the funded next. Funded next. And I like funded next. The reason why I like funded next is because they've got no consistency rule anymore. Right? So you can take as much as you want. And that's what the thing that I really like about the funded next right now is that no muchi consistency. All right. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm going to call out the winner. Hold on 1 second, guys. I got to call out the winner. Holy mochaccino. All right, we're getting a nice little pop here, guys. Oh man.
Order canceled.
Okay, slowly we are trying to build accounts. All right, good luck, everybody. I'm gonna close the entry right now. Don't type in anymore. Yeah, it's a cash giveaway right now. It's a cash giveaway. And you gotta have PayPal, by the way, guys. You gotta have a PayPal to claim your price. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna... Guys, stop. Oh my God. Please. Stop. Stop it! All right, fellow traders, I am gonna now forcefully close the entries. All right, there we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna call out the winner. I'm gonna call out the winner, guys. Lola, Mr. Lola, are you here? Mr. Lola. Lola, Lola, Lola. Lola, Lola, Lola. Mr. Lola, are you here? Mr. Lava, Lava, Lava. Mr. Rolla. Mr. Rolla Rolex. Are you here? Alright, I'm gonna have to put a timer on right now. The timer is on. 3 minutes, everybody. 3 minutes, everybody. Mr. Rolla, you've got 3 minutes to confirm that you are here, or we are gonna have to redraw. Mr. Lava Lava, yeah, that's right, brother. His royal trades. So I guess I'm getting emails from a lot of firms to make sure you guys close your trades before the day's over, right? Just make sure you guys close your trades, guys, please. I don't want you guys losing any of your accounts, precious accounts, especially the firms they have a hard breach. So if you don't close your position, they're gonna close your account, right? With no exception. That's the bigger problem. No exception, guys.
안녕하십니까.
그 시절 그때처럼 웃으며 나에게 불어와 소리 없이 그대가 온다 내 가슴 한가
That's my Thanksgiving gift to y'all, my fellow traders. 3 seconds intro on my new song, new album coming up pretty soon here, guys. Oh, baby. How does Lucid Direct work? Lucid Direct, it's 20% consistency, right? Honestly, there's nothing really too complicated with Lucid funded direct accounts. It's just that the biggest one is their consistency rule, right? They're at 20%. So if you make anything beyond 20%, you got to bring it down. You got to find a way to bring it down to 20%, guys. Oh, by the way, the winner. Where's the winner? Guys, 5 more seconds for the winner, guys. 5 more seconds. Are you here? All right, guys. The time is out. All right, I don't think he's here. Is he here? I don't think he's here. Do you have to trade for 8 straight days? I'm not sure how many days you could. Hold on one second, guys. Let me just take a look and see. So he's not here, so we're gonna have to redo it again, guys. I'm gonna redo it again. I am going to redo it again. I am going to cancel the winner. Yeah, I'm gonna give 1 minute going forward. Right, guys, I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute, okay? From here, 1 minute to claim your price. Yeah, I canceled the winner. I did, yeah. Yeah. Hold on one second, guys. Somebody asked me about Lucid Direct, right? So you gotta have to trade for 8 days on your Lucid Direct accounts. Okay, you gotta trade for 8 days. And there's a DLL that's $3,600 on a 150K account. So you gotta trade for 8 days. Also, there's a consistency 20%. That's what it is. Other than that, it's all pretty much the same thing, right? As everything else. All right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are part of this. And I thank you guys once again for being here every day with us. Even on random times, you guys are here. And I thank you guys. It truly means a world. All right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner now. I'm gonna close the entries, by the way. Good luck, everybody. Don't type in anymore, guys. Plito, ¿cómo estás, man? Stop. All right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner now. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute to claim, okay? 1 minute from here. 1 minute, guys. Right? Don't tell me it's 3 minutes later. It's 1 minute from here. All right, guys. Mr. Oh my God, I don't even know how to pronounce that. IX hash. Mr. IX hash. You've got 1 minute to claim. We're gonna move on to the next. If you are not here. LX hash. Oh my God, Mr. LX hash. It did not take him a few seconds. Holy mochaccino. All right, there we go, guys. Mr. Hash, I'm gonna have to DM me on our Discord. DM me so you can go ahead and claim your price. And you gotta have to have a PayPal. Congrats once again, brother. You are the champion. All right, man. I've got one contract now. It's gonna get filled, I think. Oh, right. Yeah, I know. You like how people wait last minute. All right, man. I didn't need to have a timer on that one. The last one, though.
Order filled.
Mr. Hash did a great job for being here, being patient. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So Hash, send me a friend request so I can go ahead and take care of your price. Right? Yeah, what a slow market, but we found a nice little entries, right? I went long on a pullback here and I went short on a bounce up here, right? So it's yeah, I think we did a great job, guys. I don't know how you guys did today, this morning. It's a happy Thanksgiving, guys. It's let's celebrate our Thanksgiving. Let's have some fun. All right, I'm gonna do another one right now, guys. Another one. It's all about giving back, right? I'm gonna do another one.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, damn. We are getting a bounce, guys. We are getting a nice little breakout now. It almost kind of feel like this could get an extended move to the upside. I'm gonna exit. I kind of feel like we broke out. Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Don't tell me. Don't tell me this is gonna be a pullback here. All right, guys, I'm gonna do complete, and I'm gonna do it again right now. We'll start the giveaway, guys. The entry starts now. Go ahead and type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this cash giveaway on a beautiful Thanksgiving, guys. It's that time of the day to celebrate our Thanksgiving in USA. And don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We'll get this winner call out going in at 200 likes, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, please do so. And thank you guys so much. It truly means the world to us. And thank you, Mr. Point, for your giveaway with the membership. Thank you so much. Love you, brother. Mr. Point in the house with a nice, beautiful gift there with the membership. Thank you, mucho gracias. All right, everybody. Let's try to finish this off. Our second giveaway of the day. Our first giveaway winner is your nickname, Lily. Is that your nickname there? Is that you, Lily? Can you confirm hash? If that Lily on Discord, is that you? I just want to make sure I'm talking to the right person. Oh, that's you? Okay. So I'm gonna have to have you send me your PayPal email address, brother, if you don't mind, and I'll take care of your cash giveaway. All right, guys, we are pulling back here now, but I've got 4 contracts. I'll probably end up loading in, like, add to my long position here. Yeah, I kind of chased that, to be honest. Yeah, I kind of chased it. Yeah, I thought we were gonna get a little bit of a breakout of this area, to be honest. Maybe I should have waited for it to hold, but I guess I got into a little bit of a FOMO. A little bit of FOMO. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smack the like and also type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to get a ticket and participate on this giveaway. All right, I'm gonna call out the winner here pretty soon. And this is our second giveaway of the day, and this is in celebration of our Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's weird. This market's we are obviously getting a little bounce. I think we found a little bit of a footing here at 297, but we're gonna have to kind of wait and see. I think we are trying to break out, but I could be also wrong, right? We could literally just get a rejection off this pivot here, just like the way we did earlier, and maybe break it down, right? For all you know. So I'm gonna have to be a little careful. But the thing is, right, I've only got 4 contracts here for micro, so I wouldn't mind like loading in a little more aggressively down here in this area, right?
Order submitted.
Just in case we get a pullback here down, I don't mind. I wouldn't mind loading in, you know.
Order submitted.
So I wouldn't mind doing this, for example. But then if we flush it down and breaks underneath the 280, then I'm gonna have to exit my trade, right? This is what I plan to do here right now, right? This is an area. I'm like, okay, well, this could be a hard breach for me. Anything beyond that, it's like, okay, well, I think we're gonna be a lower high here at this point, right? So I prefer to get a bounce, but if you get a bounce, that's great. But if you get a pullback here, I'm willing to add to my long position and probably bring down the cost average to maybe 290 area. We'll see how that goes. Mr. LE, man. What up, LE? How's it going, brother? Thanks for being a member. Ooh, baby. Pegasus. Mr. Hash, by the way, the link to Discord in YouTube description does not work. Yeah, I mean, the problem with the Discord for me is that I don't know why, but the link keeps changing. I have no idea. To fail, not to be offensive. Hey, that's fine, man. Tiger, but are you good at trading or are you just good at risk management? I'm just an average guy, right? I don't think I'm good at anything, to be honest with you. I'm okay at trading. I'm okay at risk management. If I'm a good trader and if I'm good at risk managing, then I would have probably got like, I don't know, way beyond 35k of payout this month. I would have easily got to maybe $70,000-$80,000 by the time it's said and done. If I was good at trading, and at the same time, if I was good at risk managing, then I would have easily got to like 70,000-80,000, because then I would have not lost my accounts, right? I lost quite a few accounts that I was up like $5,000-$6,000 and I ended up losing them. Why? Because I'm not good at risk managing my risk. But I always try my level best to get better at whatever I'm trying to do. So, and that's you know, keep grinding. But I make a lot of mistakes too myself, so you know. But I'm very grateful, guys, man. If you asked me this 2 years ago, I would have never thought I was gonna get, you know, $35,000 payout in a single month. There's no way, guys. Come on, think about it. There's no way, right? Even 18 months, guys, man. 18 months ago, I was struggling. 18 months ago, when I was only trading with Apex accounts, I was damn struggling so bad, you guys. It's not even funny. I was struggling to get like, you know, even $6,000 a payout in a month. I was really struggling, you know, 18 months ago. And that's less than, what, 2 years, right? I was almost broke. And that was with Apex. And guess what, guys? 18 months ago, I was only trading with Apex. I mean, yeah, I mean, I was trading with Billanox, but, you know, like, you know, it's 1/10 of accounts, right? If I was trading with 20 accounts with Apex, I was trading with 1 Billanox, right? So it's not really non-event. And yeah, and Top Step was there, but I wasn't trading Top Step because it was really too expensive. At those days, I think Apex was really cheap, right? Luckily, it was really cheap. Yeah, luckily it was really cheap because I was only paying like $16. Paying $16, and for an activation it was like what, 85 lifetime. So you're literally paying about $100 all in, right? So it was good in that sense, but I was having a hard time trying to get payouts, right? It wasn't easy. So, you know, thinking about it right now, I'm like, wow, it's I've come far, right? And it's not perfect, you know. We all are trying to improve in our trading journey. We all struggle, right? And I've been struggling throughout this entire process, right? But I've not but I've never given up my journey, right? And I kept fighting, and I kept grinding, and here I am today. with an average about $20,000 to $40,000 a payout every single month. So, you know, I mean, I love it. I love it. I can't complain at all, guys, man. It's like, it's been a hell of a journey, tell you that much. You know what I mean? And you know what? I've not been trying to be a hero, by the way, right? I've been just, you know, trying to be a little more consistent, right? Consistent trader and a very what do you call this? Consistently getting paid. You know what I mean? And that's what I was kind of looking for. I wasn't looking for like $100,000 payout in a single go. You know, this is not my style. I wanted to be consistently taking payouts, right? This is what I was looking for. You know, even if it's $2,000 every week, I was totally okay with that. But I want it to be consistent, you know? And I think I've got what it needs, so it's yeah, we've come by far, you know, we've come a long way. And I know a lot of you guys were there with us. And yeah, we all making improvements, we all getting better at trading every day. But I'm not here to sell you courses though, right? I don't think I'm gonna ever try to sell a course. I don't think that's ever gonna happen. And even if I come up with a course, that's really gonna be like a $2, right? I'm probably gonna have you pay like $2. That's it. That's like a courtesy, right? That's it. I'm not gonna sell courses. Tiger, you think ICT is BS? No, I don't think ICT is BS. I think ICT is perfect. I think ICT is good. I don't have anything against ICT, I'll be honest, man. I've seen a lot of ICT traders, right? And I've got some few ICT traders in Korea trading ICT, using ICT concepts, right? And I'm nothing against it. But I think by the time you try to get into the bottom line of the story, for me, I kind of feel like ICT is almost like you're trying to overcomplicate your trading journey, right? My style, I like to make it simple. I prefer to be a simple trader, right? Simple trader, and not complicate my trading. Let's not try to overcomplicate the chart. It's simple. It's price action, right? That's really all that matters at the end of the day, and the volume, right? If this market wants to push to the upside, it's gonna do that all day. So that's why I like to make it simple, and that's why I never really try to get into the ICT. But I have nothing against ICT, man. There's a lot of traders who does really well with ICT. I think ICT is something like this. Translates to this. ICT. I think this is what it is. But again, I've nothing against ICT, man. I have nothing against it. All right, guys. I'm gonna. Oh yeah, we are over 200. So let's just go ahead and do it, guys. I'm gonna close the entries, guys. Again. What is your schedule? I don't really have. And by the way, yeah, sorry, man. I did not mean to be offensive on that. I'll just giving you guys a little example, but that's it. All right. So second giveaway right now happening, guys. I've called the entries. Oh my god, not again. Oh my god. Oh shoot! Once again. I've closed the entries. Are we gonna do it again? Oh my god. Yeah, guys, man, I closed the entries. All right. Good luck, everybody. I am gonna call out the winner, guys. Good luck. Yeah, the funding ticks that I requested payout. I haven't got my yeah, they haven't removed that fund from my account just yet, so yeah, they haven't taken it out from my account just yet. They'll probably end up doing that tomorrow, I guess, right? Yeah, I'm a little nervous about funding ticks. They're gonna try to move me to live again, and that isn't gonna work. I have a little problem with that, right? So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, they'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I think. Monica, man, what is up? Monica in the house. All right, guys. I'm picking the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody. Are you doing futures trading as a main income? No. This is not my main income. No, it cannot be. It cannot be my main income for now. All right, fellow traders, I am gonna call out the winner now. Good luck. No, I haven't called out the winner just yet, so I haven't called out the winner just yet. I am doing that right now, guys. I'm very impatient. Just bear with me. I am gonna call out the winner. Good luck, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Mr. Dollar Dream, I'm gonna give you 1 minute, guys. 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. One minute. Mr. Dollar Dream has to confirm. Let me know if you are here, Mr. Dollar Dream. Oh man, we are getting a little bounce back. I don't know if this is gonna hold though. Mr. Dollar Dream, I need you to let me know if you are here. Oh my god, Dollar Dream is here. I'm gonna have to have you DM me on Discord, brother. I'm gonna have to have you DM me. I will share my Discord link once again. DM me, guys. Mr. Dollarman, DM me. And I'll go ahead and take care of your price. All right, this market is obviously not really doing anything so far. We're sitting at 296 right here. I'm down about 50 bucks. Really not the end of the world, but I mean, it should be 12 to 1 p.m. I think the market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern time, if I'm not wrong. I think. Right, guys? I think that's 1 p.m. Eastern time. Can somebody confirm? I think that's what it is. All right, I'm going to try and scale into my trade now.
Order
We'll
filled.
see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Yeah, I think we got some little more pullbacks to do here, though. So I don't know.
Order submitted.
I may
Order
want to exit this
submitted.
trade and try to re-enter. $1 p.m. Yeah, Wisdom Fear confirmed it's 1 p.m. and that's Eastern time, by the way, guys. Eastern time, right? So be careful, guys. Make sure you guys have no open positions before this market closes early. Top Step is closed right now. Really? Is Top Step actually closed today? I think they're still running it till 1 p.m. if I'm not wrong.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, man, we're getting a pullback here and down quite a lot. Some props close at 12 o'clock. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm probably thinking Top Step is one of them. No, I haven't been trading Top Step just yet, so I don't know. Yeah, so Lucid Flex is gonna be what again? Launching in a day, tomorrow. So we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to actually start to see. We can't load in any accounts with Lucid Flex right now, even though they declared the offer. Yeah, so we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow, and then everything else is on right now. I think funding ticks, Apex, Top Step, $89 on a 50k account size. I'm gonna be going with that too. And then Billanox 85% off with a high activation fee. Not the greatest one. Yeah, so far I kind of like Take Profit Trader and funding ticks, Legend, and Apex. And then Top Step is fine too. I wouldn't mind paying $89 with no activation on their 50k account if I think. Monica, Lucid is almost similar to my funded future score. Same 2 days to pass. My funded futures have an option to withdraw 3k. Costs also less. Is that an offer right now though? The market opens again at 5. I think they open at, yeah, they open at 4 p.m. Eastern time today. So I will be there I'll be there tonight as well, guys. And we got some bigger stuff happening here tonight, right? Being the last trading day of the week, right? Being the last trading day of the week. Oh, I guess the market opens tomorrow as well. Is the market open tomorrow in the morning? I think. Can somebody let me know? I think they're open tomorrow morning, but they are open tomorrow. Funded Next was the best firm before they added the pay split. Yeah, Funded Next is actually pretty good. I still like Funded Next with no consistency rule on their legacy accounts, right? So it's half day tomorrow. Okay, I see. Right, so if the market's open tomorrow morning and also the market's open tonight during Globex Asia, I wonder where its market's going to be. By the time we get to tonight, it's going to be weird, right? I hope it's not going to be a slow, real slow market today. I hope it's something moves tonight. And then hopefully tomorrow is also another better day too. So, guys, man, we are getting a pullback on down quite a lot now.
Order submitted.
I bought the top there. I should have technically shorted that top there. I thought we were gonna get a nice little breakout of that area, but I should have waited to retest, but unfortunately I did not, and now I'm holding a bag, which isn't good, right? We're pulling back here down. I mean, I'm not really down as much, but it's still not good. I'm gonna probably add to my position now on a little more pullback down into the 285s. Yeah, and by the way, guys, once again, happy Thanksgiving in the States. I hope y'all having a great Thanksgiving. Listed has 6 payouts. Yeah, man, guys, I'm in trouble with these firms trying to move traders to live as quickly as they possibly could, right? That's not good for me, because at some point I'm gonna get banned in across a lot of firms, and that's a big problem. Big problem. And they're not just doing that anymore with one account, right? They're doing that now across multiple accounts. So if you, let's just say, if you got payouts not just through one account, if you get payout across multiple different accounts, say up to 5 or 10, for example, then they're gonna kind of try to force you to move live, right? And that's a problem. I'll probably end up just trading Apex by the time it's said and done, I guess. I don't know. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Man, I am so confused. It's definitely a very confusing time right now. And these firms are like changing their rules all the freaking time too. So it's only gonna get harder. Funded next rapid $100 for an account with a max payout of 640 feels horrible. Caveman, what do you mean? Their max payout is not 640. I don't think so. Open your own PROPFIRM. JQ. Yeah, my firm's not gonna last very long. I'll tell you why. Because I'll be very kind and I'll be like giving everything back, right? And there's gonna be a payout request of like maybe $500,000. I'll be like, oh shit, I'm in trouble. You know what I mean? I'm not the kind of a person to open a firm. I don't think I want to be in that space though, to be honest. Yeah. Guys, we are getting a bounce right now, man. Look at that. It's like a rubber band. Anything that pulls back here, it gets a bounce. Anything that pops gets pulled back. And that's what it is right now, guys. It's a very, very tight channel range. Very tight channel range, guys. And we are getting a bounce at the low, and we are getting a pullback at the top there. What's your main source of income? I've got 3 other sources of income, right? That other than the futures, yeah. No, just 3 more. That's it. Sauces. The goal is to get as much as from the drums as possibly could. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely a little concerned about the firms, like making adjustments to their rules and trying to move traders to live as quickly as they possibly could. This is a bit of a flag to me, so I don't know, man. I'm kind of a little concerned, to be honest. We'll see how it goes. Because yeah, if they're no longer going to be looking at one account at a single time, to move people to live trading, then it's a problem because yeah, because at some point I'm gonna be getting a lot of payouts across the firms, right? And they're gonna try to push me to live, and it's a big problem. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Take Profit Trader hasn't made adjustments, is why I like them. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is still the same, guys. They're sticking to their guns. You know, their rules haven't changed at all right now. The only thing that's changed is the promo, right? The Black Friday has a 30% instead of 40%, but it's also their 100% refund on the first withdrawal, right? So we've got that. That's the account you get when you get pushed live at My For the Futures. Yeah, I mean, the deals are definitely not as hot as I thought it would be. I agree, but it's definitely better than the deals that we had before Black Friday, right? So you have so much to learn, Lim. Nice. Why do people not like live funded accounts? Yeah, man, My For the Futures, even if you had $10,000 on your sim funded account and they move it to live, you're not gonna have the $10,000 in the live account, right? That's weird. They really suck, man, to be honest. Why don't I like it except Take Profit Trader? Yeah, I think Lucid, we're gonna look forward to Lucid. I think tomorrow we're gonna get it, right? So let's try to be a little patient. Small account with a super duper drawdown. My stop on this is somewhere in that 280 area, but I'm gonna try to exit my trade here on a little pop if we get.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if we get a little pop here, guys.
Order submitted.
I'm not gonna be looking for something big. Just a little pop is all I'm gonna be looking for. If you get it, that's great. If not, then I don't know. I may yeah, I'll try to exit this trade in that 280 area, 285, 284. That's it. Yeah, but what a slow price action, man. It's really slow right now. Incredible.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, there we go. We are getting a little bounce back up again, so that's gonna kind of give us a chance
Order filled.
Chance to exit our trades. I'm down to 8 contracts now, which is great. How many points do you usually go for? It depends, you know. I'm naturally born swing trader, if you will, so I like to hold on to my trades a lot longer, but it really depends. In this kind of a very choppy trading session, I like to make it really tight, right? My entries and my TPs, maybe 10-15 points really at most. It's over. It's back to budget. So every session, every trading is gonna look different, okay? So sometimes I look for 100 points. You guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but sometimes I hold on to my trade as long as I can. if I kind of feel like this market is truly having that momentum and it keeps pushing, I'll hold it till the very end sometimes, right? And I do that. All right, guys, man, we are getting a little pullback here. I'm not liking this. I'm gonna enter this trade right there,
Order
guys.
filled.
Order filled.
So I can say payout without going live. Yeah, what a chop, guys. This is real chop, guys. Holy man, we're sitting at 295. We haven't really gotten any breakout or any break to the downside. We're kind of like really tight in that range bound, 300 to 290. So that's 10 points range. 10 points range, guys. 10 points range. Yeah, very tight 10 points range, guys. Something's got to break here pretty soon. I think something's got to break. Yeah, there's really nothing truly there at the moment, guys. I'm gonna have to maybe call it here, everybody. No trades. Maybe before I call it, maybe we'll try to do another cash giveaway here, guys. Maybe another one, and then I'll call it. And we'll see you guys back tonight as well. So let's hit another one, guys. Yep. Another one. All right, fellow traders, we've got another cash giveaway happening right now, guys. Go ahead and post in, type in your exclamation tiger, guys, to give yourself a chance to get a ticket. Yeah, our last giveaway here in celebration to our Thanksgiving, and also my payouts too. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys are new here in the stream, I thank you so much for doing that. Yeah, and my Discord link, I'm gonna share it again. Somebody's asked me that again, so there's another link. That's my Discord link there, guys. Oh. Yeah, the market's completely dead now. I wonder what it's gonna look like tonight. It's gonna be crazy wild. It's gonna be crazy, crazy. Hookah booka. All right, guys, let me know once. I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes. Oh my God, we are listening to you driving across Wyoming. Kelly Kaufman, you're in Wyoming. That's like 10 hours. Actually, no, I lied. About 10. Well, no, that's right. About 10 hours from where I am right now. We are 10 hours apart. Kelly Kaufman. I can drive down there now and see you in about 10 hours. Holy mochaccino. The short squeeze before the move down. I don't know, man. Honestly, I don't know. I think this market is not gonna do anything, to be honest with you. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna move. I'll be surprised if we get a dump. I'll be surprised if we get a pump as well. So maybe I think we get a little bit of a very, very tight range. I think that's what it's gonna be. I may be wrong. Who knows what this market's gonna do, but how has the market been this morning? Is it worth trading? Not really. I don't think so. But I did trade and I ended up getting some dollars, but not a great dollar. A small little dollar. That's what I've got. I'll be happy with it though. I mean, at the end of the day, we just got to be happy with what we can get out of this market, right? But we actually got into some good trades too, so I'll be happy about it. It takes forever to drive anywhere in Canada. Driving from Fargo to Winnipeg takes forever. Yeah, I know, man. In Mont Daly, are you in Canada? Are you Canadian by any chance? You sound like you are, but yeah, I will be streaming here today, but tonight. But I think the stream is gonna be a short one. It really depends on how this market is, right? If this market presents an opportunity, then I will be streaming for longer. If not, then I think we're gonna have to make it really short. But I'm also gonna do another very big giveaway here, guys, tonight. That's gonna be 150k Tech Profit Trader Pro account. And that's my giveaway here tonight, guys. Again, that's in celebration of our Thanksgiving, guys. We're gonna keep rolling out. It's a long Thanksgiving. We gotta do a lot of celebration for our fellow traders in USA. Oh, you're in Canada too? By the way, man, we've got over 8% of Canadians watching me out of all the viewers, and that's actually quite a lot, right? A lot of Canadians here in the house, guys, and thank you guys, all of you, for being here all the time. Your support to the stream really truly means a lot, and I thank you guys. All right, guys, don't forget to type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our last giveaway happening here right now, guys, in a few more minutes. And don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream as well, because Americans have Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, that's the whole reason why I'm doing a lot of giveaways for our fellow traders in USA. The biggest and the largest. Yeah, this market is pretty dead. I'll be honest, pretty dead. Let me just take a look and see for how many hours I've been on stream. Let me just take a look and see. I've been on for about for over 2 hours now. Yeah, for over 2 hours now. Yeah, that's a long time for this price action that we are getting right here, right? For the price action that we're getting here. We went on for over 2 hours of streaming with this kind of a price action, guys. It would have never been possible without you guys, man. I thank you so much, all of you. Time flies, to be honest, man. I didn't realize I've been streaming for 2 hours or more. With this price action, oh my god. What's the ATR? I don't know, man. ATR is 3, guys. ATR is 3. That's all we got. 3. Incredible. Incredible, guys. Wow, it's so volatile. Whoo, baby. 6 points. 6 points range, guys. Everybody, congrats, man. If you guys bank on this 6 points range with a 3 ATR. Wow. It's such a volatility, guys. Where did everybody go? Are we the only guys trading it this morning? Is anybody trading this morning other than us? ATR is 3, guys, man. But honestly, with all seriousness, happy Thanksgiving to my fellow traders, guys, man. It's been what a journey. A big journey. We scrambled, but we somehow found a way to get it up there, and we are now pretty close to the year end, and I cannot be any more grateful and thankful. And I hope all of you had a great year too, and everybody having a great year so far. Why don't we talk about everybody else other than myself, man? How did everybody do this year? Are you guys happy with everything that's going on this year? Or are you guys are you guys not doing okay? Are you guys break even so far this year? I'm kind of assuming that we've got a lot of traders who've done a great job this year. Cheers, guys. Cheers, everybody. Starbucks morning. Had a fantastic August, September. Guys, let me know how you guys did this year. I'll read it out for you. Matthew Fordorich says, fantastic August and September and October. $70,000 from prop firms alone. I think that's great, Matthew. Are you happy about your result? I think you should be proud. But it depends. I don't know where. John Ram Topstep, Edgar Leon, your first year of trading. Wow, Edgar, I didn't know that's your first year of trading, man. Kelly Kaufman, congrats, Matthew. That's phenomenal. Yeah, I think that's phenomenal, man. That's a great achievement, right? 3 straight months in a row. And $70,000 in a profit payouts. I think that's a really yeah, you should be proud of yourself, Matthew. I think that's a great job. Work less, earn more. Nice, I like that. Yeah, work less and earn more. Yeah, I like that. I don't think I got a single payout this year, so it's oh my god. Work less, earn more. Is this your first year of trading? Is this your first year? Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, man. But I wonder if this is your first year. If it's just your first year, yeah, don't be too disappointed, you know? John, don't we get a free reset after buying a top step valuation? I don't think so. Very content and grateful. Yeah, Matthew, man. Fantastic. Fantastic. Let's continue doing really well, brother. Congrats. No, it's your 4th year and you haven't got a single payout this year. Oh man, I'm sorry. Sorry to hear that, Workless. All right, fellow traders, you guys are asking me again the Discord link. I shared that earlier, but I'll share it again right now. You finally 5 of your 150,000 take profit trader accounts funded watching you. Nice. Park comment loop. You got 5 take profit trader pro accounts now, and that too on 150k. Great job, pal. I hope you do really well with those funded accounts, man. Those are daily payout accounts, man. Those are so precious. I hope you keep those forever. Forever. Alright guys, we've got our cash giveaway happening right now, guys. Do not forget to smack the like if you guys want to support the stream. And now we are about to go ahead and do our call out. I'm gonna close the entry, guys. You know the drill. Stop typing anymore. Oh, you silly Millie. Start it again. You just have to hit the buffers and withdraw like $500 every day. Yeah, I mean, the problem is it sounds easy, pal, but it's really not. You know what I mean? Like I have got the same idea on my pro accounts, but I somehow find a way to blow those accounts for some reason. Yeah, it's not easy, but we keep trying, we keep fighting. You know, that's what it's all about in this journey, I guess. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries now. Good luck, everybody. This is the final giveaway here for my fellow traders. Yeah, what a fun morning. I mean, this price action obviously was awful, but I had a lot of fun. It was great to see y'all again this morning. And I can't wait to see you guys again tonight, of course. All right, I'm gonna close the entry, guys. Good luck, everybody. Oh, before I do that, hi from Calgary, Mr. Mike. You're from Calgary. We are pretty close to each other now. Uh-oh. We are pretty close. We're neighbors. Blew your account. Need to pass a challenge. Hold on one second, guys. I want to quickly read Mr. Mike's. And thanks for your donation, brother. Thank you so much. And that's a Canadian dollar. Yeah, I love it. What's the best PF? What is PF, by the way? Need to pass a challenge. What's the best PF for Canadians? What is PF? Can you let me know? We got a lot of what? We got a lot of Calgarians, man. Workless also from Calgary too. Incredible. Oh, PF the PROPFIRM. Okay, I see. What is the best PROPFIRM? You blew an account. Need to pass a challenge. What's the best PROPFIRM for Canadians? It sounds like you're kind of struggling to get to a payout and also get to a funded stage. If that is the case, I kind of feel like maybe go with the cheapest, right? Go with the cheapest and go with something that gives you the higher risk reward, right? And yeah, from that perspective, I kind of feel like funding ticks is probably the way to go. right? So if you just take a look on our Discord here, look, I just requested a payout with funding ticks. It's a $1,000 payout cap, and that gives you every payout, the max you can take is $1,000, right? And this is after split. It gives me 890, but if you just take a look at the PROPFIRM discounts, right, on a 50k account you're paying $45 on a $1,000 payout cap, right? On a 50k account that gives you $2,000 of drawdown. So I kind of feel like there's no activation, by the way. So you're paying 45 bucks, and the reason why I say funding ticks right now is because for you, let's say the cheapest eval that we have right now in town in the PROPFIRM space is Apex, right? And that's 80% off right now. 80% off, that gives you $35, $35 US dollar, right? And you're a Canadian, right? And this is $45. You're paying literally about $10 more. That gives you an account with no activation fee with a $1,000 payout cap. So the risk reward is definitely there for you to go. I mean, if it's me, by the way, I'm not saying that's what you have to do, but if it's me, I'll probably end up going with something like this, right? This is probably the highest risk reward right now, right? So if you end up blowing an account, you're only losing 45 bucks. But if you end up getting funded, then there's no activation and you're right into the funded stage. And you only have to have 5 winning days of $150 or more to give yourself a chance to get to a payout, right? If it's me, I'll probably end up just going after this, right? If I'm kind of struggling to get a payout, and if I want to spend less and to give myself a chance to get to a payout, this is probably the one to go. I mean, this is what I'm gonna do if it's me. I'm not saying that what you have to do, but if it's me, this is what I'm gonna go after. All right, I hope that answers your question, brother. Oh yeah, Legend has a good promo, but I don't think that's for I don't like the 50Ks. I like the 150Ks. That's $127. That's probably the one that I'm gonna go after too. So anyways, thank you for your donation, Mr. Mike. I hope that answers your question. And yeah, I'm gonna close the... Did I actually close the entries right now? The market closes in about a little less than 25 minutes now, guys. The market is getting closer pretty soon here, guys. Maybe it's that time of the day you guys have to shut down your trades with no open positions, especially on accounts that has no tolerance, right? It's a hard breach. If you have your open position, if you don't close them, then your account's gone. Like Take Profit Trader, your account's gone, right? If you have an open position, if you don't close it, and it's gone. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entry, guys. Good luck, everybody. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys are new here, and thank you guys for doing that. All right, I closed the entry, guys. I'm picking the winner now. Good luck, Mr. Golden Eagle. You've got 1 minute to claim. 1 minute to claim, guys. The Golden Eagle, are you here? If you are not, we're gonna have to go ahead and do the redraw. Oh, Mr. Golden is here, guys. Oh my god. All right, there we go, guys. We got Golden Eagle here. The winner goes to Golden. Congrats once again. You are the winner here today. Golden, congrats, man. What a great Thanksgiving. Tiger, have you heard of Toronto slang? I have no idea, brother. Enik, I have no idea. I have no idea. Golden Eagle, DM me please on our Discord. All right, guys, I think it's that time of the day for me to leave. We'll see you guys back tonight. We got a lot of fun stuff happening here tonight as well. Tonight could be the last trading day of the week for StockTiger, so I hope to see y'all back here tonight at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. All of you have a great rest of the day. The market closes pretty soon here, so you guys have to definitely try to close your positions now if you can. You all have a great Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys back tonight. Thank you all of you for being here this morning, guys, with us every day. Thank you, guys. Take care, everybody. We'll see you guys back tonight. God bless. Happy Thanksgiving to y'all. Peace. Genre, the listed $45. I have no idea. There's no listed accounts with activation, by the way. All right, guys, everybody have a great day. Thank you so much, guys. God bless. And finally, peace out. Take care, guys. We'll see you guys tonight.